How to set a Spotify song as caller tune. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll launch a Spotify music application on your device. Then simply head towards the home screen. Once you're on the app, simply choose any song you want to set as your caller tune. Now you have to simply make sure that you tap three dots. And from here, you need to tap download button, which requires the premium features of Spotify. Once you have downloaded the song, then you can simply get that song from your smartphone. After downloading, you can go to your phone's library or settings and then save the song as your caller tune. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.